Most people don't fail online because they are lazy. They fail because they are confused. They wake up every day thinking, "Today I will start something new." And at night they feel tired, but nothing is built. The truth is, online money is not hard, but it is boring, and boring work scares most people. Everyone wants fast results. Everyone wants viral videos. Everyone wants quick money. But the internet does not reward excitement. It rewards consistency. In 2026, the winners won't be the smartest or the most talented. They will be the ones who stay in one direction for a long time. Let me tell you something important. Money online does not come from skills alone. It comes from systems. A skill is what you can do. A system is how you repeat it without thinking. Most people keep learning. Few people keep repeating. That is the ultimate gap.
If you have a phone, basic internet, and 2 hours a day, you have enough. What you lack is a clear structure. In the digital world, there are two types of people. The first type watches videos, saves posts, writes notes, and feels motivated. The second type watches one video, chooses one action, and repeats it tomorrow. The first type stays busy. The second type builds an income. Now listen carefully. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need fluent English or expensive tools. You need a simple skill stack. Not one big mystery skill, but 3 small practical ones. For example, idea research, AI prompting, and content distribution. You are not just a creator, you are an operator. Operators don't try to be the best, they try to be the most consistent. They take one idea, put it into one format, and repeat it daily. Most people quit because they change direction too fast. One day freelancing, next day drop shipping, then affiliate marketing. They are not failing, they are resetting. And every time you reset, your progress goes back to zero.
Rich people online are boring people. They don't ask, "Do I feel like working today?" They ask, "Is the system running today?" That is the mindset shift. Another hard truth. People who say, "I don't have time," actually mean, "This is not my priority." Time is not missing. Focus is missing. Everyone has 24 hours. Some scroll, some build. You don't need to work all day. You need to work every day. One small action daily beats a motivation burst once a week. Online money rewards those who solve specific problems for a specific audience. Stop chasing viral moments and start building visible routines. Visibility beats virality. If you post the same type of content for 30 days, the algorithm cannot ignore you. Success comes from staying visible when no one is watching. Here are the 3 habits to change your 2026. First, imperfect action. Take action immediately after learning. Perfect planning is just a fancy excuse. Second, track effort, not money. Did you post today? If yes, you won. The money is just a side effect. Third, kill comparison. Stop looking at others. Compare yourself only to who you were yesterday. Remember, in the online world, slow people don't lose. They just win later. But people who keep changing direction never win. If you want 2026 to be different, make one decision today. One skill, one format, one routine. Repeat until it works. No noise, no shortcuts, no drama. If this message made sense, save this video. Motivation fades, but systems change lives. And if you're ready to build a mindset that actually works, subscribe, because here we don't sell dreams, we build systems.